Please like, share and subscribe our channel to learn and enjoy our free online educational videos from class nursery to 10. Please click the bell icon to get all new updated videos.
Chapter 5. Sorting materials into groups. Classification of objects. The process of grouping and sorting objects is called classification. Classification of various objects can be done on the basis of their similarities and dissimilarities. What are objects made of? Different objects are made from different materials. Different materials are chosen according to the use of the objects to be made. Certain objects can be made from different types of materials. For example, a chair can be made using iron, wicker, wood, plastic, or brass. Properties of materials. Let us understand some of the common properties of materials. Appearance or luster. The shine of all metals is called luster. Metals such as gold, silver, and bronze have luster. Factopedia. Metals like gold and silver do not tarnish and do not react with air, that is the oxygen, the way a metal like iron does. Hardness. Some substances are harder than others. Different substances have different degree of hardness. Sodium, wax, camphor, soap and graphite are soft substances, while metals like iron and steel are hard substances. Upgraded info. Diamond is the hardest substance known to us. Diamond is a form of pure carbon which is a non-metal. On the other hand, graphite is also a pure form of carbon, but it is so soft that it can be cut easily with knife. Graphite is used as a lead in pencils, while hardness of diamond makes it useful in drill machines which are used to drill into hard rocks. Texture. Different materials feel different on touching due to their texture. For example, an unpainted wooden box feels rough on touching, while a painted wooden box feels smooth. Solubility. Many solid substances dissolve in water, while others do not. Factopedia. The solubility of a substance fundamentally depends on the used solvent as well as on temperature and pressure. The materials that completely dissolve in water are called soluble materials, while the materials that do not dissolve in water are called insoluble materials. The property of a substance to dissolve in another substance is called solubility. Sugar, alcohol, and salt dissolve in water completely. Factopedia. Water plays an important role in the functioning of our body because it can dissolve a large number of substances that our food produces after digestion. Water can also dissolve some gases. Water normally contains dissolved oxygen, which makes it possible for fish and other animals that live underwater to survive. Factopedia. The three most common acids in soft drinks are citric, carbonic, and phosphoric acids. Flotation. The property of objects to float or sink is called flotation. Objects that float or sink depend on the materials they are made up of and their shapes. For example, a ship is made up of metal. Even then, it can float on water due to its special shape. Transparency. There are some materials through which you are able to see. These materials are called transparent. Glass, water, air, and some plastics are examples of transparent materials. Factopedia. A transparent material allows light of all wavelengths to pass through with equal ease. Good sunglasses allow visible light to pass through, but totally cut off ultraviolet rays that are harmful to the eyes. On the other hand, there are some materials through which you are not able to see. These materials are called opaque. You cannot tell what is kept in a closed wooden box, cardboard carton, or a metal container. Another category of materials through which you can see but not clearly. These materials are called translucent. Milky water, starch solution, tracing paper, etc. are examples of translucent objects. Conductivity. There are some materials through which electricity or heat can pass. These materials are called conductors. Metals like silver and copper are good conductors of electricity. The materials which do not allow electricity or heat to pass through them are called bad conductors or insulators. Wood and plastic are insulators or bad conductors of electricity.